everyone, happy end of the year. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make wavy hair. This time it's going to be a little different from other hair tutorials where I use my 40 milliliters barrel. Today I'm going to use my Vodana triple flowy curler. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it has a different shape to it. It actually has like two mini barrels inside of it, as you can see. This definitely gives you like a different feel. Like when you get tired of your regular wavy hairstyle, this is a perfect mood changer, and it's good for like special occasions like end of the year. So I'm gonna show you guys how I use this. And before starting, I also want to show you the jewelry that I'm wearing today. So these earrings are from Ana Luisa. These are my favorite earrings from their brand. They're just like mini circular like gold balls, and this literally goes with every style. I wear this so many times. I got these from their brand like a long time ago, but I wore them too much that they broke, so I asked for another one. These are very affordable and they're also really good quality for their price. I also have the ring. It's called Stephanie. It's just a really thin ring that kind of adds to your look. I like to either stack this or wear it with the other rings that I have. Today I only wore this. It's very simple and elegant. So that's what I'm gonna wear while styling my hair today. They're having a huge end of the year sale right now, I think up to about 60%. I'll put a link down below in the description box for you guys to check out. And let's start styling. So this is a bit tricky to use. The very first time I used it, my hair turned out a little bit weird, so it definitely requires some practice, but it's not too bad. So first of all, I'm gonna start with my right hair. So let's go ahead and divide the hair into two sections. Just split right in the middle. And I'm actually gonna start by brushing my hair with this cute mini brush and just untangle my hair. I also put hair oil on my hair to reduce heat damage. And for this specific hairstyle, I recommend you to part your hair like sort of in the middle or like very close to middle, because I just find that to be the most suitable for this hairstyle. If you like part it to the side, I don't find that as cute because you want the waves like sort of symmetrical on both sides. So that's what I do, but of course there's no right or wrong in this. So in my other hair tutorials, I like to start from the back and work my way to the front, just because once you're done with the back hair you can get rid of it and then move to the front, and it's just easier. But for this hairstyle, since making the pretty shape and like the symmetrical shape is so important, I'm gonna start from the front so that I know that I'm doing it well. So I'm gonna set aside my side bangs. We're gonna style them at the end separately. So if you guys have bangs, just leave it out for now. And I'm gonna take a little bit of hair in the front, maybe like this much. You don't have to grab too much. This curler doesn't work too well with a lot of hair. It's very difficult to make a pretty shape with a lot of hair squeezed inside of it. So I'm gonna take just a little bit and then send the rest of my hair to the back. Since we're holding our hair with the right hand, I'm gonna hold the curler with my left hand, and then make sure the Vodana sign is facing the front, like this. And then we're just gonna like slide our hair inside of it, and then start from the top and just clip. I usually wait a bit longer when using this specific curler, just so that I can have that perfect shape. Okay, release, and then you'll see this curl right here. So just come down a little bit and then clip it once more. I wait a little more than 5 seconds just to give it some time to form that curl. You see it? Lift it up like this while it's cooling so that it can retain the shape. And then we just need to curl the end. Again, clip. I have a little bit of hair here sticking out, but it's fine. Sometimes it's natural to just leave your hair like flow like this instead of trying to squeeze all parts of your hair inside. So you know, it's really up to how you want to design the hair. If you want, you can take like a straightener and then you can like curl the ends inward if that's what you want, but I want to keep this like natural and flowy, so I'm gonna leave it like this. Some people might be wondering like how many times you need to do it and like how much distance you should keep between each curl, and that's really up to you. But for this hair I did about 3 times. So for like my longer hair, I would probably do like 4 to 5 times. But yeah, don't try to make too many curls because then it can make your hair look too puffy. So I recommend doing 3 to 5 or like 6 curls depending on your hair length. Let's move on to the next hair. I'm gonna try to start at about the same point. So around like here, clip. Okay, come down a little bit and then clip, come down a little more and clip. Okay, now this piece is a bit longer, so I'm gonna go ahead and just curl the end a little more, like this. So I'm gonna do this a few more times, and remember, you don't need to try too hard for the back hair. It's not really gonna show, so you know, put a lot of effort in the front, but the back you can kind of slack. And for like this hair, you see that there's like a layer that's closer to your scalp and the layer that's gonna cover the hair that's like underneath it. So in this case, since it's hard to like clip them all together, feel free to just do the top part and then do the bottom part separately. Or, you know, if you're lazy like me, you can just do it together. I'm done curling this side of my hair. Now I'm just gonna take my brush and brush it to make it a bit more natural. Let's work on the other side. Let's take the side bangs out, and then I'm gonna start with this piece right here. Okay, so this time, grab the curler with your right hand, but instead of the Vodana sign showing, we want the opposite side to face the front. So just like that, slide your hair in and clip. Release and then come down a little bit, clip again. And it always helps to like keep your hand on the hair so that your hair doesn't fly everywhere. And then clip the end. So we have a pretty wave like this. Let's work on other pieces. Again, I'm gonna take a little bit of hair, not too much. Slide it inside this curler. Start from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I tend to wait longer when I do the front parts because, as I've said, the front shape is really important. I'm actually going to clip the end because this piece is a bit long. Okay, I curled this side as well. I'm going to brush this hair. Okay, now let's work on the front. The front part is very important. It's going to make this hair look so much better. So let's take those hair out. It's just the same thing. Start from the very top and just clip. My side bang's really short, so I'm really only gonna be able to do 2 curls. Be careful not to let it fall straight on your face. It can be very hot. See how this hair is so much prettier than this hair? So let's work on this as well. Since I have a little more hair on this side, I'm gonna do 2 different curls. Since this hair is a bit longer than the hair that I just curled, I'm gonna do 3 curls. Because I think it's kind of cute to have tight curls in the front. So I'm almost done, but for even better styling, I'm gonna use my straightener and try to give volume to my roots and fix the parts that I need to fix. Okay, so I'm gonna take my straightener and then just put it very close to my roots and give volume right here.